Welcome to JB site. This is the fifth lecture on Android Studio. In the previous lecture, I discussed about how to make a calculator. There it performs the functionalities of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If you didn't watch the previous lecture, once go through on it. However, you can know basic concept of a calculator. You will learn how to make a spinner, what is spinner, and its working and its uses. If I define the spinner, basically a spinner is like a combo box or drop-down menu. This working is used to display the multiple options where it allows the user to select only one item or option. If we take an example of spinner, suppose we want to fill a form on through our mobile. At that time, there will be selected multiple options of our countries as well. The either is either the gender, either male or female. So there will be select only one option, means the spinner allows the user only select only one option. Let's see the practical working of spinner and how to make a spinner in Android Studio. First we gonna close these all things and open our main activity.java, and after that you should open the layout part. These two things are very important. One more element we will discuss here, how to make a string, how to add a string in Android Studio. This is very important. Adding string is very important, as I have discussed about this string in my first lecture. You watch it. However, you can easily know what is a string, why we add a string in Android. Take a spinner is here inside our counter. At the container at the top we drag a spinner and give some of the properties for our spinner. Just give it margin top we want to give it 200 dp, and we are going to our main activity.java. There we just declare the spinner, we make it private, and declare it a name like spinner, and we are going to cast the spinner inside our onCreate method and define it through it R class. Then it is id. The id of spinner is spinner. Now we are going to add the string. Here we just give string array, give it a name for country's name. We select one country or single option throughout the multiple option. Now we want to add some items. First we give the country Pakistan, and the second we have, let's take it Iran. Another item will be suppose India, and the third item will be our Afghanistan, and the fourth item will be Bangladesh. Enough, I think. Go to the main activity. Did it show an error? Like we didn't add a semicolon after the spinner. Now we want to make an array adapter and pass a character sequence, and declare a name for our array adapter. Give it an adapter. Then after that we want to add array adapter. Create first, select first one, and we want to create this array adapter in this activity. After that we want to call our class R, and then we want to give an array. Inside the array we have the country name, and after that we use these all things in Android. Then again we call the R is the class. Then we have a layout. Then we select the first item, simple spinner item you have, and after that we want to show all the options. Options inside spinner. For showing us, we call the adapter, and after we want to set a drop down menu here, drop down menu resource here, and then we call Android, and after that we again call the R class, and inside the R class our layout, and after that we will select the layout dot simple spinner dot drop down value. It will come first, and now we are going to set all things inside the spinner. Set the adapter. Inside the adapter we call the adapter. I think our project has been completed. Now we are going to run our project. Here you see our project has been run successfully. First, let's select Pakistan. We already set the name in first item Pakistan, therefore it is selecting. After that, if we click on the spinner, it shows all the countries which we have mentioned in this string. If we want to select the Bangladesh, it will come here instead of Pakistan. If we click on it, Bangladesh has come here. So this is the all about function the spinner. Thank you for watching this video. In the next lecture you will learn about how to add audio and a video in Android Studio.